Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get honey blossoms. To begin, you will need to access your tune's estate and locate the gardening patch. This is where all your floral cultivation takes place. Honey blossoms are a unique and valuable resource, crucial for several in-game progressions. Understanding this single method is key to successfully adding them to your inventory. Before planting, make sure your garden is ready. You'll need an empty flower patch at your tune's estate. The most crucial item is a honey blossom seed, which can be found by defeating cogs or completing specific tasks. Once you have your seed, simply select an empty patch and choose to plant it. This sets the foundation for your future blossoms. Once planted, your honey blossom needs consistent care. Remember to water it daily to ensure healthy growth. Applying fertilizer, which you can also earn in-game, will significantly speed up the maturation process. Keep an eye out for any pests that might try to harm your plant. Quickly remove them to protect your investment. Diligent nurturing is vital for a bountiful harvest. After careful nurturing, your honey blossom will eventually reach full maturity. You'll notice it looks much larger and more vibrant, indicating it's ready for harvest. Simply click on the fully grown plant to collect your precious blossoms. Each mature plant typically yields a set number of blossoms, providing you with the resources you need for your in-game adventures. Enjoy your hard-earned rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.